Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Telegram videos from private channel. Right, let me show you how you can do this. So to download a video, for example, this is a private channel, some of them are private channel. I will just go and look for a video and I will show you how you can download this. Right, so these are the images, you can always download this, but let me just go and look for a video here. So here it's a video, and if I just try to play it out, as you can see here, I can play here. But if I want to download this, then you can see of the video on the top right, you will see the three dots. Click on the three dots, and as you can see here, there's a no option to download this. So open it up, again click on the top three dots and just go and click on save to gallery. Now, as you can see here, video saved to gallery, right? And let me just go and check my gallery that whether that video got saved or not. Right, so here as you can see here, that video has been saved. So it's really easy, you just need to follow the steps very carefully, and once you are right, you will be able to download Telegram videos from private channel as well as normal channels. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.